Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we're going to harvest potato. Right now I'm on my way to the farm with my brother and my sister. There's my relatives. They've already reached in the morning. They've already started. Before we start, I want to say something. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're new here. And yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. Yeah. Wow. Red potatoes. Rồi đi. Sao thầm nói cũng mà sẽ thằng. À ta mới ăn rồi.
À ta thầm mà sao nha.
chưa mà ra phần chưa.
có thể là à có lẽ phải thôi yêu. Dạ.
Nó để hết rồi nhiều quá.
Anh nhỉ?
Chân chưa?
Nó em mới thích吃那啥呀？对。
Không có. Hai chứ đây.
À cứ là. À cái gì hay chứ?
As you can see, there are too many weed. We have to remove the weed first, and then we will start taking out the potatoes. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Lula. Oh, Lula. Dangor. The potato harvest is fully on. These two are my cousins, and this is her daughter. And these two are my siblings. And by God's grace, the potato is really good this year. So thank you, Lord, for the blessings. What insect is this called? White grouper.
Grouper muyo, white group.
White group, it seems. Oh God, it's going away. We need to kill that. Make sure you kill it, because it's not good for the next harvest. I'm just gonna kill this. Oh.
Anya, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today?
This is a sign of a good harvest. So the good harvest will bring offerings to the church. So I'll keep this aside for the offering. This is our church. So the good harvest will go to the church. And these are the potatoes.
아버님 배 타봐라. 아버님 못 타고. 알래. 못 됐어. 어떻게 태어머니?
Let's harvest the beans now. So. Potato no, it beans are said, matured beans. Let me show you how much we have harvested today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Another half. 4.5 and half. That's 5, 6, and 7. So the harvest is done. We are going to transfer the sacks to this compound, and then we will call the car to come and pick us up.
هذا بولي تشوفوا شو يستاهل مو عنده صار
딱히 그러냐?
زرا تندري أكل مبلغ أني بلا أشوفوا إيه
ولا
أني هني يستاهل
Come follow me. We're waiting for the vehicle now to come and pick us up. Yeah.
Hello, hi.
We're done for the day. Let's go home. Get it together, yourself. Oh, sorry, I'm doing. Chalo, bye. Shimo do bye. Shimo la. Pretty much. So 1, 2, 3. Bye. Bye.
Please like and subscribe.
Correct.
Ale nie wiem, to ja, Ale nie wiem,